The return of my Coin Lady channel brings me much joy. Places a high value on XRP. Invest where the smart people are, as the old adage goes, and that's with XRP. Also, ARO-USD, Brad Garlinghouse's stance on the $125 million payment, and the possibility of new XRPL breaking ground are all highly intriguing. Get all the latest XRP news in your daily digest. Let's get in, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thus, as before, I bid you farewell. This is the announcement or letter that Ripple Labs sent to the SEC regarding their case. The $125 million payment is set to clear in the next few days, and this is all connected to it. Interestingly, they were not obligated to pay until 30 days after the first outcome. This is, in layman's words, the meat of the matter. Ripple is basically stating that they will pay the $125 million punishment. That amount is fine with us, but we won't pay it until after the appeal deadline has gone. Beyond that point, the SEC will no longer be able to appeal and collect the funds. Well, that's unfair, even though not many of you might think so. What could possibly motivate them to act in that way? The SEC is what? That is the truth. They have already sued Coinbase and Uniswap, now they are suing Kraken once more. Now is the time for them to sue anyone. Thus, this is a brilliant step that, in my view, provides Ripple with an extra safeguard. And it stands by the fact that in the end, they are powerless to stop the appeal from passing. The bottom line is that you'll need $120 million. You aren't appealing, Gary Gensler. Just like that, it's done. Impressively astute. In my opinion, that accomplishes the goal that we have all been discussing over the past few weeks. If the SEC does not appeal, XRP will be freed, and the market will follow suit. Overall, I'd say we're in for a fairly large move. Consequently, receiving and legitimizing this update through the courts was a fantastic move. Of paramount importance. Next, we heard Brad Garlinghouse's thoughts on the RLUSD. At the Korean Blockchain Week in Seoul, Brad Garlinghouse gave a huge update, claiming that the debut of Ripple USD, a stablecoin tied to the US dollar, is almost here. There's no reason to dispute the $120 million settlement with the SEC, and rumors are circulating that RLUSD is on the way. How convenient. Therefore, it is currently in private, closed beta, and is likely to be released to the public in the coming weeks, not months. I believe it is crucial to cite this. Additionally, it will target the stablecoin industry, which has the potential to be quite significant. While USDC and USDT are the backbone of the system, there are other excellent stablecoins available. Again, with the support of the XRP coin, the stablecoin USD tied to the MakerDAO program, RL, has the potential to be a major game-changer. Finally, when discussing XRP and XRPL, you won't believe what happens next. This is a huge development. XRPL will support Ethereum smart contracts. It opens up a world of possibilities and programming. Everything you get on Ethereum is now available on XRPL, as I mentioned briefly in yesterday's update video. This is a huge deal functionality, especially when it comes to financial institutions, networks, grids, and institutional companies. Plus, XRPL offers something that the Ethereum chain doesn't, the ability to claw back transactions. I don't know where that is. Excellent in the financial industry. That is the truth. Transactions have gone through countless times. The couple to whom Crypto.com had paid over $100 million and who subsequently spent it are the subjects of a recent lawsuit filed by Crypto.com. Absolutely insane. All parties involved in financial transactions on XRPL, including institutions, banks, and individuals, would benefit from this additional security measure. In my view, all of this is quite relevant and timely, which is in keeping with the SEC appeal, so it's excellent news. Once again, XRP seems like a clear bullish investment. I get it, the price isn't coming down, as everyone has told me. How come it isn't pumping itself to death? Like the old adage goes, I seem to be saying a lot lately. Patience yields good rewards. Now, XRP has had us waiting for a very long time, and the truth is that it needs to do something. In due time, it will serve no purpose. I mean, come on. If you really think that XRP and Ripple are trying to steal money from the community and drain them dry, then I don't know what to say to you. I suppose that's possible. I'm not saying it isn't, I'm just saying that everything is in sync at the moment, from partnerships and businesses to financial districts and firms and many more. This is because we finally have the tools to implement Ripple. As the bull market approaches and market excitement increases, I believe we may begin to witness ripple effects in the next weeks and months, and I expect to see even more in the weeks to come. I think it's vital to examine the price activity while it's still within this range. Using the 200 EMA as a benchmark, we revisited this topic multiple times. The day following yesterday's major crash, Bitcoin had a pleasant little move, rising approximately 1%. It is still trading well within this channel as we approach that fair. We may be eligible for rate reductions on September 18th. We'll observe the outcome. It would be great if XRP could start making a comeback. One Ruby retest will cost 5,657 cents. Ray, you must resume the 50-day regimen. Also includes the simple moving average. However, as we enter a new day, RSI divergence may soon turn green. The market is showing a lot of promising signs. It's business as usual for XRP. Seeing my video is an honor. Bye for now, and please subscribe and like my channel.